Young man, is Madam at home?
Yes.
Okay. This one, where is the other gate man that used to be here before?
He's no more here.
Okay, he's no more here.
Yeah.
Okay, you are the new gate man. All the security. You are a nice person. Please, I want to see Madam.
Yes.
Madam.
Yes, sir. The other gate man know me very well. It's because you are new. That's why you don't know me. It's me. My name is Abadi, but
okay, your name is Abadi.
But I'm Madam's Boma. You see, me and Madam.
Okay, it's Madam Boma.
Me and Madam. Every day. The other gate man know now. Once I enter like this, bam, the other gate man know. The gate man know they disturb us. Does not disturb us. So you know, you're all the new gate man. You people used to have problems.
If God don't want me to be drummer, if I make me another thing.
You know, first impression matters.
Okay. Can I call Madam for you?
You want to call Madam for me? Hey! I like gate men like you. You don't need to allow me stress myself.
This man!
Ella!
Hey!
Come here.
Ah.
Good afternoon, sir. Help me to call Madam.
Hey! Hope you are going to do that.
Yes?
Hey!
I hear me, Temi, Bami.
You are Boma, Nabi?
Yeah? Boma.
Okay. He says he's looking for you.
Hey, baby. Thank you, my guy. Baby.
That's my husband.
Huh?
That's my husband. Ella, as the dog eating. Yes, sir. Okay. Go and lose it. Okay,
sir.
Lose it.
Okay. Okay. Sir. Okay, please.
We have to rise up. We have to know who we are.
Okay, don't release her.
No. Our Mumu not too much. Our Mumu not too much. Hey! 70 years old man. How many times would they tell you before you know that Nigeria is not for you?
I will not come again. I will not come again. I will not come again. He's a crack. He's a brave. Please. Please. Thank you very much for watching that funny episode of School2Comedy. Please like our videos, share, and subscribe to our YouTube. Why they do like mad person?
Please subscribe, share, like, please.
Comment. If there's anything you want us to do, just comment.
Oh.
Thank you.